So lately we've been having issues with these F56s. We have had them a few times, but now it's becoming a lot more common. Where we're getting misfire faults, and it's not coils, it's not spark plugs, it's not the common issues. It's actually injectors. And the faults seem to only be on 1 and 4, and it's only sporadic. But we figured out that it seems to be the injectors that are faulty. So as you can see on the tips here, this is a brand new injector, and you can see this one, the older one, 𝗂𝘂𝗋𝗋 is. And I think inside these injectors they just get a bit faulty. Normally it's quite an easy job. It takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get it done because we do them so often. On this car it was supposed to be the same thing, but as you can see, not so easy. We've actually had to use an engine crane to pull this injector out because it just does not want to come out. So having a bit of fun and games at the shop today, but we'll get it done and we'll get it back to the customer.